Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Twitter X tile. In the next window on the left, you'll see a preview where you can see changes to the configuration of your feed. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations to the feed. Under Account Management, add up to 3 usernames without the add symbol. Select a style from the preset style buttons or further customize by choosing the Custom Style button. Available style customizations are font, background pattern being solid, dots, shapes, confetti or sprinkles, text, background, and accent colors. Select the number of posts you wish to display at one time from the Content Layout dropdown. Set a call to action. This will appear in a banner at the bottom of the feed. Set intro text. Scope the posts shown by setting a limit on historic posts and limiting the number of items in the feed. Set content preferences. Toggle to hide reactions, posting times, videos, text, post without media, and enable or disable animations. Set the duration for each content grid. The default is 10 seconds. Choose an intro style, background, and custom message. Set the delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, media RSS, direct URL, JSON, or XML data. Click the Create Feed button to create your Twitter X feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.